Good morning, children. Hello. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today's period is maths. And today in maths period, we are going to discuss about let us measure. Let us measure. Children, as you know, always we measure with a tape, scale, okay? Always we measure with a scale and tape, etc. Okay. So, apart from the measurement, we can use our parts of the body using measurement. Okay. Let's see the parts of the body we use to help the measurement. Okay. Now, let's see the picture. Parts of our body used for measuring length. See, can you see the fingers? Children, can you see the fingers? Fingers are kept close together and measuring with the 4 fingers. Measuring with the 4 fingers. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4. We use 4 fingers to measure. Okay. Now see next. Can you see the next picture? A cubit from hand to forearm is we can measure it. Okay. It is called a cubit. It is called a cubit. Measuring with a cubit from hand to elbow is called a cubit. Okay. Now length of our hand as shown in the figure is called a cubit. What we say? What do we call from hand to elbow? Is a cubit. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, see this. What you can see? A hand. From small finger to thumb, we measure. It is called a span. It is called a span. Length of our fingers as shown in the figure is called a span. This is called a span. What do we call? Span. Yes, very good. Now see this. How do we use a span? See, can you see the 2 bed cover is needed for Yash cot. One is very short. Can you see the bed cover of bed? Yes, it is very short. And another is very long. Okay, a bed cover is needed for Yash cot. Yash need a bed cover for cot. So, how he will measure? How you will measure, children? By using a span. How you will measure? By using a span. Yes, does not have a tape. He does not have a tape. So let's measure the length by span. How he will measure the length by span? See, this is Yash. How he is measuring? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, measure the length as 11 spans. 11 span. So the length of bed cover should be 13 span as it has to be a little longer. So 13 span as it has to be a little longer. Okay. He measured the length by using the spans because Yash does not have a tape to measure. So he uses span. Okay. Now see let's. Now we can take the measurement by using a foot. By using a foot. Okay. Now let's see how to use a foot for measuring. Now see, measure the distance by feet between 2 flower pots nearby. Measure the distance by feet between 2 flower pots nearby. See, here are 2 flower pots. Okay. This girl wants to measure the distance between 2 flowers by using a foot. Okay. Now we can use a space, a pace. Pace means by using a two legs, between the two legs. Pace means using by two legs. Distance between two legs. Can you see the distance? This is called a pace. To take the measurement between the two legs is called a pace. Now see how measuring with the pace, measure the distance by pace between two stumps. See, can you see the two stumps? By using a pace, by using the legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see how he's taking the measurement between two stumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this way we can use our body parts by using the measurement. Okay. Now it's a test time. Now see this, children, measure the length of your notebook with your four fingers. Now we have to measure the length of, what is the length of notebook? We have to use four fingers. Can you see the four fingers? We have to take the measurement by using the four fingers. Okay. So let's see the length of our notebooks by using four fingers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the length of our notebook? Is 5 four fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by using four fingers. Okay. Now see this, measure the length of your notebook by with your four fingers. Okay, so length of our book was 5 four fingers. Now let's see this picture. Measure the length of your room by your foot. We have to use our foot now. We have to use our foot to measure the length of our room. Okay, so let's count. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. The length of, and so on. The length of my room is 21 feet. The length of my room is 21 feet. Okay, children? Now, see this. Next, can you see the newspaper? Newspaper, what is the length of newspaper by using a span? Span. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length of my newspaper is 5 span. 5 span. Okay. Now next see fourth one question. Measure the length of your bed sheet with your span. Again span we have to use. Span. So let's count the length of our bed sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So length of my bed sheet is 12 span. Okay. So what is the length of bed sheet? 12 span. What did he use? Span, not feet. Span. Okay. Okay, children. Understood? Okay. I hope you understood the measurement by using the body parts. Okay. Bye. Thank you.